friends, Sanibona Bangani. Today we are going to talk about something that we see every day. The weather. Look out your window. What is the weather like today?
Sometimes it's sunny. Sometimes it's rainy. And sometimes it's really cold. What kind of clothes do we wear on a hot day? Yes, a t-shirt and shorts. What about a rainy day? Right, a raincoat and boots. Umsombuluko is Monday. Ulesibili is Tuesday. Ulesithathu it's Wednesday. Ulesine is Thursday. Ulesihlanu is Friday. Umgqibelo it's Saturday. Isonto it's Sunday. We use a weather chart to record the weather for each day. Let's look at today's weather. Today, it's very cold. And yesterday, it was rainy. What do you think the weather will be like tomorrow? I think it's going to be sunny.
In the morning, we wake up and eat breakfast. In the afternoon, we are at school. In the evening, we are at home eating dinner. And at night, we sleep.
Let's play a game. Which takes longer? Brushing your teeth or eating lunch? Right, eating lunch takes longer. What about running across the room or tying your shoes? Yes, running is faster.
Now let's talk about things that are fast, okusheshayo, and things that are slow. Hamba kancane. Is the rabbit fast or slow? Yes, friends, the rabbit is fast. Is the tortoise slow or fast? Yes, friends, the tortoise is slow. What about a racing car? Yes, friends, it is super fast.
There are 12 months in a year. Can you say them with me? January, uMasingana. February, uNhlolanja. March, uNdasa. April, uMbasa. May, uNhlaba. June, uNhlangulana. July, uNtulikazi. August, uNcwaba. September, uMandulo. October, uMfufu. November, uLwezi. December, uZibandlela. Every year in each month, people have birthdays.
When is your birthday, friends? Okay, my birthday is in June.
Some people are tall, bade, and some people are short, bafishane. Now let's compare. If you stand next to a chair, are you taller or shorter than the chair? Yes, friends, you are taller. What about you and your friends? Who is the tallest?
We measure things with a ruler. But if we don't have a ruler, we use our hands, izandla, or blocks, or a string to compare sizes. Let's talk about things that are heavy, ezisindayo, and light, ezingasindi. Is a book heavier or lighter than the feather? Yes, friends, the book is heavier. What about a balloon and a rock? Is the balloon heavier or lighter than the rock? Yes, friends, you are so clever. The balloon is lighter than the rock.
Let's make our own scale at home, friends and parents. Firstly, we are going to make holes on the sides of the containers, but I advise you to make at least 4 holes on the sides of the containers so that it can hang properly. With me, I only did 2 holes and it wasn't hanging the way I wanted the containers to hang. And secondly, you are going to add the strings so that you can tie it to the hanger. Now tie the containers on the sides of the hanger. And then we are done with our scale. You can explore at home with the friends. Try to balance the scale. Let them guess how many objects they are going to need to put on the sides of the scales to make it balance. Goodbye, friends. See you next time.